Okay, Grand Rising class, this is Mr. Cotton here, and I'm just going to record this quick little video to tell you what's going on for class today. Obviously I am conducting the remaining STAAR students today, so I am in the library if you need me, for those students that are on campus. If you are not on campus and need to reach me, just please email me right here at my personal work email. Everything for class today is going to be listed right here in this April 8th asynchronous testing day thing right here. It'll be right above the collaborate session, so it'll be like that for every class. So when you click on this, you're going to see 4 things to work on for today. Now, the first thing is right here. It is our warm-up journal response. When you click on this link, it's going to take you to this page right here. And there are 2 articles that you can choose from. Now, you can read the first one, which are about NFTs, or you can read the second one, which is about poetry, friendship, and confidence. I'm not going to click on them because I want you to click on them to see which one you want to read. But you're going to choose one article to read. You're going to put your name and class period here. The name of the article you choose, just so I can know, which one you chose. And then you're going to write a response to things that you found interesting about the article. Your response has to be 3 to 5 complete sentences. You'll put that here, and then you'll submit. Remember, you only have to read one of the articles, not both, just one, okay? All right, after that, you're going to complete these compass learning activities, which are right here, okay? Here are the instructions for how to get to the activities. We are going to redo the perfect tense one that I assigned yesterday because a lot of students didn't do too well on it the first time. So I'm going to reassign the perfect tense one as well as 2 prepositional phrases activities, all right? So you're going to complete the perfect tense activities and the prepositional phrases activities. And then once you're done with that, you're going to watch this little video. This is from the original STAAR test day. So a lot of students that were testing did not see this video. So these are some extra activities that I want you to work on. Just once you finish these 2, just to keep you busy, so you're not sitting there not doing anything, because we're always about reinforcement. Once you finish all of these activities, so 1, 2, and 3, you can read for the rest of the class period if you're in my room or another teacher's room. All right. Remember, I am in the library, so if you need anything, just come down to the library or email me. I'll go back. Email me right here at my personal work email, okay? I will see everybody tomorrow, and you all have a blessed day. Stay safe.